Well, thanks for coming over here and watching the inaugural video on the new V&T YouTube channel. There is the existing channel at youtube.com/Virginia Truckee that has a lot of historical stuff. This channel, we really hope that you would like this video. If you do, please click on the like button and make sure that you sub the video or sub the channel. We'd really appreciate that, and of course tap the bell if you want to get some notifications. We plan on loading some videos at least over the next 3 months, showing you some insights of the Virginia and Truckee Railroad. Now, there's no audio quite yet. This is showing the train coming up from Carson City. It's over the what I call the Crown Point Fill. That's where the Crown Point Trestle used to be. And I'm going to come back later in the video and do some more narration where there's no audio. But check this out. There's a whistle coming up, and enjoy. Okay, unfortunately we don't have audio for the rest of the video, but it's going to get really cool in a second. You know, I see drone videos sometimes and I'm like, oh, another drone video, but you really get you get an opportunity in this video to see what's possible. You know, right now we're just looking at the grade, the shoe fly that goes around collapsed tunnel number 3. We're hovering roughly above the Gold Hill Hotel, and it's like ho-hum, you know, nothing to see here. But check this out. He starts to go up in the air, and we're going to get a full topographical view of the shoe fly and then the approach to Tunnel 4. In this area, the last train that ran through was in 1938. There's a famous picture out there of Tom Gray's dad, Bob Gray, who unfortunately passed away recently. And he, as a teenager, rode the last tourist train, or like basically a rail fan special. They had to stop at Gold Hill, and then they took the train the rest of the way, but they made the riders bus up to Virginia City just because of the lack of safety in the tunnel back then. When the railroad was being rebuilt in the 70s, the plan was to reopen Tunnel 3, but it was found, again, to be too unstable, and so this shoe fly remains as the permanent route. And from this area, you get a wonderful 100-mile view of the Sierra Nevada mountains. Now, I didn't want to narrate over the sound of the train, but I want to point out that the red building that you saw is the Gold Hill Depot that was gifted by the V&T to Story County for $1 in 1950. That's still owned by Story County. And that is the destination for the daily trains that we run. So 7 days a week, you'll find that we have daily trains running from Virginia City to Gold Hill, plus all of our theme trains. Check out the links and come ride. Thanks again to Geminai Graphics and Photography for the video footage. This was a lot of fun to put together. If you want some more information on the Virginia and Truckee, go to virginiatruckee.com. Thanks.